Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play through, only cause you set up the angle. Web that you we've got us tangled, caught in what's before our eyes. Show off your fantasy reality. Whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse from the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. Beautiful people still make mistakes. It isn't perfection, what is it we chase? Bow for your 15 seconds of fame. It's your time. Give me the messy, give me the pain. A rose will not grow without the rain. I wanna be someone who says there's more than meets the eye. Show off your fantasy reality. Whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now.
So today I thought I would do a little bit of a day in the life with me. We have a few things to do. I'm sorry, I look weird because I didn't have time to put on any makeup, but we have a doctor's appointment to go to for Ollie. This is well check, his 18-month well check. So we are doing that. We're currently getting gas. Jared is getting the gas for me, which is so sweet. But we have the doctor's appointment. I gotta take the boys to my mom's because I'm getting my hair done. I'm just adding in some dark pieces where there's so much blonde right up here. Just to break it up a little bit because it kind of looked a little weird to me. But yeah, today should be a pretty fun day, so let's go.
You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. Best foot forward, don't catch you slipping. Never know the things that you're feeling. Capture your body, get your best side. Breathe in the world, fake us a smile. Walk in the lines, fine. But I hope one day you'll break through. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you.
It's always so hard to take both of the boys. Say hi, Parker.
Hey.
To take both of the boys into the doctor's office because Parker just goes crazy. But it was a good appointment. He got his last shot until he's 4, and he is barely grown. He is barely grown. He was 30 inches at his last appointment. In this appointment, he was 30 inches and 3/4. But now we are going to head home for a little bit, and then we're gonna eat, and then I'm gonna take them to my mom's.
start the day yet. I just wanna stay, even if we run late. This morning, let's take our time. Everybody needs a break, right? Sometimes I wait for just an hour more. What's the rush? Who's calling? Who's calling? I won't ask for much. All I want is sleeping on a Sunday. The morning can put the day on hold. And if we want a sun ray, you know we can pull it from the window pane. We can save our energy for harder days. Stay a minute or just wait until Monday. Can we just stay in bed and watch the world go by? What a long night, the week was dragging by. I deserve a morning for myself and I. I'm proud of my work, I turned it around. I'm burning the fuse, I don't wanna burn out. Gotta stay mindful, right? Nobody's calling me, so what's the rush? Who's waiting? Who's waiting? Ask for much. All I want is sleeping on a Sunday. The morning can put the day on hold. And if we want a sun ray, you know we can pull it from the window pane. We can save our energy for harder days. Stay a minute or just wait until Monday. Can we just stay in bed and watch the world go by? Go on by and take your time. The world can wait for an hour of yours we can afford. Lying in bed and blocking.
I just dropped my boys off at my mom's and I am leaving her house now to go get my hair fixed. I'm excited because honestly, I love what she did. I love the color, but it was just too much at once for me, I think. And so getting a few like darker pieces in the front is gonna make me feel so much better. Voila. See, now it's not as bright. We got some darker pieces going through here. I feel like myself again. I feel so good. And she did amazing. She always does amazing. She knows just what I want every single time. So I'm excited to have my hair done just perfectly. But now I'm gonna go pick up the boys and probably hang out with my mom for a little bit. I haven't got to see my mom or my dad in a while, so it'll be good to sit down and talk with them for a little bit. But yeah, let's go get my babies. Hey! Hey! Hey, baby! Parker, are you ready to go home?
Yeah.
You ready to go home and play?
Yeah.
Play outside?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ha. Parker back. So I forgot to film when we got here. So I was so focused on food, as you can see. But we decided to come out to Mexican to get some Mexican food. And this one's still in all my drink. I'm trying to film this and push the buggy at the same time. But we just came to Walmart, wanted to walk off. What are you doing? Oh, go ahead. Okay. No.
I want
Yes.
one. Yeah, I want one too.
Surprise me.
I want one
I want
too.
to go look at the Easter
I
stuff.
want one too. I want one too.
You want one too?
Yeah.
But we are at Walmart, walking off our food and just spending time together.
Yeah.
So we are home now. I'm tired. Didn't really get anything at Walmart. We just kind of walked around. So I think, oh no, I did get something. I got some kitchen towels because I wanted to replace my decorative towel on my stove. But other than that, we didn't do anything. So I'm going to get these boys ready for bed and relax for a little bit and then go to bed myself. So I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. It's been good to film like this again. It's been good to do a day in the life. So I hope that you guys liked it. Leave a comment down below letting me know what you thought. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I make new videos every single week. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all.